Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Abhay from Abhay Calligraphy, and today we have got a brand new vector standard calligraphy set. This is actually the first calligraphy set that I had used, so I am going to unbox it and let's see how this pen works. Let's get started. Okay guys, so let me give you a little overview of this set. This is actually fountain pen, fine, medium and broad stainless steel nib, refillable with Parker Quink inks and cartridges. So this Parker Quink inks you can get easily from your nearby local stores, and the price indicated is 500, but you can get it around 350 bucks. If you can get it for 300 bucks, then it's a quite nice deal. Just go for it. Okay, so I'm just going to open it now. So this is the set that we are getting, so I'm just going to keep it aside. So this is the set. You can get a decent set with it. This is the pen. I'm just going to pull it up. Yeah, so this is the so this is the finest nib that we have got with the pen fitted, and here we have two blue cartridges and two black cartridges and two other sized nibs. So I'm just going to pull the broadest nib and fit with one of the cartridge. So this is the broadest nib and I'm going to fit it with the black cartridge. It's quite easy, just have to push it a little bit in. Yeah, so that's how it's done. Okay, so this is actually the refillable cartridge. So it acts as a piston pump. You dip it in the ink bottle and just pull this piston up, and the ink fills it in the container, and you can fit it with any of the nib, just like that, like this. Quite easy, isn't it? Yeah, so I'm just going to give you a little demo how this pen writes. So I'm just going to write italics with it, and this is a normal 100 GSM paper. So as you can see, it works fine, no blotting of inks. Yeah, so as you can see, the pen writes so well. The ink is quite consistent. It's coming out of the nib nicely. I now have 3 sets of these now. So you can see how much I love this pen. Yeah, so this is how it works, and it works pretty fine. I like this pen so much, and you can also write some foundationals with it and also some gothic with it. Let me try some gothic too. So I recommend this for beginners. You don't have to spend so much on some fancy supplies. You can buy this pen and it works pretty well for the beginners, and I also started with it, so I will definitely recommend it. You can also write a foundational or some broad edge scripts with it. So yeah, it's a quite nice pen. Hope you had liked this video. I hope to see you in the next one. Peace.